Today, I'd like to build off of our previous video, the sale price trends using pivot charts, and show you how you can get an adjustment for the comparable sale based off of its contract date or its pending date. And as you can see, I've already created the pivot chart. We have our graph here. I've created a market segmentation. I'm looking for one level homes built between 1985, 1999, 1,000 to 1,500 square feet, and not situated on a basement. Now, in order to get the adjustment for each individual comparable sale, it's actually really easy using this pivot chart. If you look at the bottom of our chart, you'll notice this section right here, the close date. And I'm going to click on the down arrow and we'll get a new window that pops open here. And one of the things that you could do is just go through and start unchecking each one of the dates until you get to the comparable sales pending date. But quite honestly, that's going to take a lot of time, and we don't have a lot of time. So the easier way and the more efficient way to get this done is to use your date filters right here. And you're just going to choose after, and you'll get a new window that pops up and it says show items for which the date is after. And I'm just going to choose the date February 11th of 2024, hit OK. And as you can see, our monthly adjustment amount has changed. And I can go back into the close date. And if I wanted to, I could clear the filter. Just click on clear. But I could also just go back into the date filter, hit after, and choose whichever date I want. Call that October 7th, 2023, hit OK. And the adjustment amount changes. So hopefully that is a benefit to many of you. I know that adjusting based off of the comparable's particular contract date or pending date has been a little bit of an issue here. And so this is, again, just a quick, efficient way to get this taken care of. All right. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.